Hey guys, it's Ashley and Swifty here to do my Zodiac box. This is a monthly astrology subscription box. So basically you tell them your sign and they send you 4 to 6 products. I love that they're like from small vendors, handmade, a lot of handmade items based upon your sign. It's $39.95 a month. And my sign is Aries, and I think we've talked about this, what all you guys' signs are. This box is a lot of fun. Like, I just love it. Hey, not my plant, no. So, my UPS guy was nice enough, not my postal people, but UPS was nice enough to leave this out in the rain. So the box got all wet. I have no idea if everything's okay. I really hope it is. My mail lady was like, I brought a box up for you yesterday because it was all wet. He just left it there. Thanks, dude. Thanks a lot. All right, so here's what it looks like right on the top there. We get this really cool fold out, and it does give us a our horoscope for the month. So this is for July 2018. I'm actually on time with something. The beginning of the month finds an emphasis on home, family, and domestic concerns. Attending to home and family matters will be high on your agenda for most of this month. After that, the sun moves on to Leo, a fellow fire sign, and you can indulge in some pleasure and romance. This is not a very dramatic month for you. Enjoy the silence. So there's that. Inside it details each of the items that we received. We're not peeking. All right. First, we have Modern Alchemy Jewelry. So this is, ooh, is this one of those? Meant to manifest magic. Enjoy your new crystal bracelet, personally handcrafted to match your exact astrological sign. To view more from Modern Alchemy, visit our Instagram, Modern Alchemy. I want to see it. So Aries is a fire sign. And then there is an Aries Oil in here. So these look like little lava stones. And then these look like carnelians, which I love carnelian. How beautiful. It even matches my outfit here. So this is an Aries Oil. The 3 White Cats Magical Shop. Aries Oil. Well, that's exciting. Aries Oil. What does Aries Oil smell like? Oh, it smells like, what does that smell? I know it, but I can't put my finger on it. I don't know that. What is it, Swifty? What do you think? It's like a powdery scent. I'm not sure. Okay. I have a cut on my finger and I don't know where it came from. Just popped up one day. All right, so next we have, from Sock Smile, these are little Constellation Socks. Aren't they cute? I love them. I love that they're not high. Always the cute socks come like high banded or knee highs or whatever. I like ones I can wear with sneakers. You know what I'm saying? All right, next we have, ooh, is this a tote bag? Oh, it's a tote bag. Oh, I love this. It's all the constellations. Oh my gosh. This is from Home Art. Oh, it's blue. I don't have any blue tote bags. Isn't this beautiful? I'm in love with it. Oh, I love it. I love it. I love it. Oh, that is so cool. And it even names them. So like there's Ursa Major. There's, I saw in the back here, there's Cassiopeia, which is the W. All right, there's that. Then we've got our stones. Each box comes with some stones. Ooh, this one's big. I'm excited. Oh, beautiful. Oh my goodness gracious. Oh, it's an amethyst. Oh, neat. Oh, it's a protective crystal. Look at how like pointed it is. So beautiful. I love it. It's huge too. It's huge. All right, next we have, and everything, by the way, is fine. Thank goodness. I was so worried. It is written in stars. So this is a journal. Oh, neat. Look at how cool this is. I love this. I love. Oh my goodness, I love it so much. I love it all comes together so well, like the blue constellation theme. I think that's really, really cool. So let's look at our little insert before we end the video. Oh, where's my Aries Oil? Gotta make sure I don't lose my oil. There you are. Don't leave me, bro. Don't leave me, oil. My bracelet. All right. So the theme of this is, I've loved the stars too finely to be fearful of the night. That's a quote from Galileo. So we got the Amethyst Cluster, the Constellation Socks, the Constellation Tote Bag, Designworks Ink Journal. Zodiac Sign Essential Oil and Modern Alchemy Essential Oil Bracelet. Oh, so you can put that, these are essential oil beads, not lava beads. So you can put that oil on them and you can smell your scent all day. So that is everything that I received in my Zodiac box. What do you think of this box? I think it's amazing. If you're interested in the full review, I will link to that below. I will also link to my Zodiac box so you can check them out. As always, thank you guys so much for watching. I'll see you next time.